Okay, so next up we so we have our user input or user interface right here, and that's great. But we have one more problem, and that is when we retrieve or when we access our inventory to see if the user or what item the user has chosen, we do so right now in a hard-coded fashion. So we need to break out our menu choice variable or use it in such a way that we can actually access our items dynamically out of our collections. So to do that, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to nuke all of this code because this is all hard-coded. Actually, I'm going to keep one of them around just so I can remember which variables I'm actually altering. I'll delete that in a second. Or maybe just to make it clear that I'm not using this code, I'll comment it out. So what I'm going to do is we need to determine if the user input was valid. So I'm going to say if menu choice is greater than 0, and if menu choice is smaller or equal to product names.count, then set item price to product prices menu choice -1, and I'll talk about what's going on right here because it might look a little bit strange to people who aren't used to working with array indices or collection indices. And then I'll set is item valid item to true.